You sit down and open.
Yeah.
Tissue paper. Tissue paper. Here's a card. Oh, that's to Amy and Jeremy. That's for me. What else you got in there? Open it up. Yeah.
Every time.
Oh, pants and clothes. Thank you. Bring it here. Yeah, look. Oh, it's a jacket. Yeah, and a pair of pants. You want to wear the jacket?
No.
No? Okay.
Hey, Brock, can you say thank you, Dee Dee?
Thank you, Dee Dee.